Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add bevel and just stick effect on Premiere Pro. So first of all, we want to open Premiere Pro. After that, we just need to drag the video clip which you want to add the effect. And then here you can see the video clip which I want to add the effect. And then after dragging the video clip, here on the top you can see an option called effects. Click on that. If you don't have an effects over here, then here on the top here is an option you can see here window. Click on that. And then here is an option you can see here effects. Click on that, or otherwise you can click Shift+7 and effects will open. After opening the effects, here you can see a search bar over here. Click on that and search for Bevel and just take. And then here you can see the effect Bevel and just take. Drag that effect to video clip. And after that you play your video. You can see that you had been added bevel adjust take effect on the on your video clip. And if you want to make this adjust more thicker, then after dragging the effect you just need to select your video clip and then go to effect controls. If you don't have an effect controls over here, then here on the top here is an option you can see here window. Click on that. And then here is an option you can see here effect controls. Click on that, or otherwise you can click Shift+5 and the effect controls will open. After opening the effect controls, here you can see a section called bevel adjust, and from here you can just increase or decrease whatever you wanted. And then you play your video. You can see that you had been added bevel adjust tick effect on your video clip on Premiere Pro. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.